Hello, hi, thanks for joining me. My name is Moneyang. I am a senior partner telecom architect at Microsoft from the One Conventional Partner Organization based in Dubai. Today I'm going to be talking about Microsoft Teams and how Microsoft Teams is helping our customers navigate this tough time, especially our SMB customers as well. It's no exaggeration to say that the world came to a near standstill earlier this year, and in this community gathered here today virtually that really helped push the world forward, right? So as we navigate the response phase, the recovery phase, and the reimagine phase, digital technology is more important than ever. The case for digital transformation has never been more urgent. For all organizations to continue to navigate the difficult time, they will need to empower the employees by fostering a new culture for hybrid work. Employees should be able to work from anywhere. Engage customers differently and virtually, right? Transform product and services by bringing new business models. Optimize operation to keep their employee and customers safe and secure. They will need to take the data from one system to optimize the other system. And that's what we call tech intensity. And tech intensity is a key to business resiliences and digital transformation. How is that speak to SMB? SMB has been the heart of the economy for years, so they also need to transform digitally. And what the study actually shows is that they have been actually fast to do this pivot, right? So 76% are already adopting and enabling remote work in their companies. 184% expect to see a surge of the use of collaboration tools such as video conferencing or chat-based collaboration tools. And 11% are going to be spending more on their security as well, right? We did a study as well to just understand the entire scape for modern productivity post-pandemic, during the pandemic. What the study shows is that 82% of managers believe that this is here to stay. Right? The remote work, the work from home policies will have to be established post-pandemic. This is not just a fad, this is a new way of work. People spend on average more than an hour due to the remote work. And employees feel less connected. 60% say that they feel less connected with the new remote work. So all those things says that there is a need for the technology that we need to transform the business digitally to be more human. The remote element of the work today has removed that human contact into equation. So we need the technology to be more human. And that's what we need to do. So we need to go from that technology center that is isolation, lack of opportunity for people to communicate and to collaborate, people that's getting more stressed and fatigue, to more of a human-centered technology that is based on effective collaborations, providing learning opportunity to employees, and looking at the well-being of all individuals in the organization. So you have to have the tools that will allow you to collaborate effectively, to learn, have that growth mindset, and also that cater to your well-being by providing you time to reflect, time to, for mindfulness, yoga practices, and so forth and so on. This is what Microsoft Teams is aiming to do. Microsoft Teams is the only platform today that will allow you to meet, chat, call, collaborate, automate your processes, bring your third-party application within the same platform as a single tool. Teams is the hub for teamwork, Team is where work is done, right? So what we've seen over the past 6 months is that there's been a huge momentum in adoption of Microsoft Teams. 75 million of daily active users. We have more than 200 million participants in a single meeting, 4.1 billion of team minutes generated. And we've also done a lot of innovation on Microsoft Teams. So we brought breakout rooms, we have increased our number of users in the meetings, we have collaboration bars. There've been a huge amount of new innovation that we pushed through this last month into the platform itself, right? So, a quick view of Microsoft Teams for those who haven't seen it before. So it's a single platform that will allow you to, as I mentioned before, to chat, collaborate, meet, and also call. So I can use Teams as your calling platform. So here I can host my meetings. A meeting can be a one-to-one meeting or a live event, a company or CEO address. I can also use the same platform by just plugging in my headset as my telephone system. I can use Teams as a full-fledged telephone system where I will have auto attendant, call queuing, call forwarding, voicemail system all integrated in one platform. I can also use Teams to have one-on-one chat or one-to-many chats as chat applications. That's also possible. Another thing that I can do with Microsoft Teams is I can actually extend Microsoft Teams to that platform element of Microsoft Teams. I can bring in third-party application into Microsoft Teams, or I can automate company processes within Microsoft Teams. So these become that single places for my employees to do their work. They don't have to switch between applications, which is one of the key things that the employees really complain about when it comes to their productivity. The fact that they have to go through multiple applications to do their work will have an impact on their productivity. If we can provide them that single places where they can do their work without having to do those contact switching, which is what Microsoft Teams provided, that's why Microsoft Teams is the tool that will enable them to do their work in today's world. And Teams will be used the same regardless of where you are. If you're working from home, or if you're working from the office, or if you have an hybrid policies, or you have a remote-only policies, or you have in-person policies, whatever the company policy is, Teams is going to be the same platform that you're going to be using. We don't have a different platform for different way of doing business. And this is really key for organizations that look at using tools that have that human element for the future of their workplaces. Okay, so what is the top of mind for SMBs? SMBs want to know how they can do remote work better. How can they maintain security? How can they reduce their cost, right? So they need better tools for remote work. They need security for remote work. And they need opportunity to reduce their cost. This is what Microsoft 365 offering for small and medium businesses offers. So we have 3 offerings that are listed here for you to check. So you have the business basic, the business standards, and then the business premium. So all those 3 offering are enterprise offering that we took to cater the SMB business, right? So the team that you get from SMB is the same teams that an enterprise customer will have. So it's the enterprise grade solution that we brought to cater for our small and medium businesses customers. Right. Teams is part of the M365 fabrics, which means that it inherits all the security feature that M365 has, identity as well. So you have not only you can enable remote work, you can also enable that secure in a secure and safe way. Right? So Teams is the hub for teamwork, the hub for remote work, for secure remote work, for working from anywhere, allow you to bring all of your work processes, project within the same platform, enable more of a human interaction by bringing, we partner with Headspace to have those mindfulness moments that you can have within your days, where you can post in Teams and have some yoga sessions, allow you to bring third-party learning application or just the embed learning pathways for your employees to continue to grow and learn, allow them to have that single platform for them to communicate, to collaborate, to chat and call, allow them to do their work basically. It's really a place for them to do their work. So that's all I have to say today. Thank you for your attention, and I'm looking forward to speaking with you again in the future. Thank you.